channel. So today I decided to do like a makeup, no makeup look, which if you don't know what that is, that's like, it's wobbly bun. That's like, it's a look to where like you don't have on it. Like, I would say it's more like a natural look. So it's just like makeup, no makeup. So like, it's like, okay, she could have on makeup, but that could just be like how her skin naturally looks. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna start off with petroleum jelly, and I'm just gonna add that in my face, cause that petroleum jelly did something yesterday. Like, well, I think it was a couple of days ago, but it did something. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my beauty blender, and I'm not gonna do eyebrows. I'm just gonna conceal, cause eyebrows is more like, it could be like on the dramatic side, but I just want to do like something natural. So now I think that the petroleum jelly makes everything just like go on so easy and blend so easy. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer, which, girl, I'm about out, so I need to stop playing in it. And I just did one squirt. We're going to see how far that goes. And then I just needed, see, I feel like that applied better. I'm gonna throw on a little eyeliner. I need to get me some more like ASAP. Eyeliner anymore. I don't like it, I'm not even gonna lie. Now I'm gonna get my lashes out, and if you've been watching my last few videos, you know that I've been using these lashes for that. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer under my eye. Just a little bit. Just to make me look more awake. Now when I put on my lashes, I use hair glue because I tried to use like the regular lash glue before, and it just did not work for me. Like, it just did not work for me. They just would not stay. And I was like, it was just too much. It's just too much. So I was like, let me try hair glue. And then when I tried the hair glue, it worked just fine. Like, and to me, it's easy to come off. So, well, easy for me to take it off. Like, it don't, be coming off on me, but, I never knew if you curled your eyelashes before you put the mascara on or after. You want to make sure you spray a little setting spray just to. Alright, y'all, so this is my final look. This is how I do my makeup, no makeup look. Just natural, nice, nothing over the top, nothing dramatic. Super easy. This is where we are. So super easy, super quick. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment below like other videos that y'all would like for me to see. So I'll definitely talk to you guys later. Bye.